Hello, gentlemen. If you've ever felt that quiet shift in your body, that moment when your energy, confidence, or spark just doesn't feel the same, you're not alone. It's something that happens to almost every man at some point. But here's the truth, it doesn't mean your best days are behind you. Your body isn't broken, it's just out of rhythm. And the way to bring it back into sync isn't through pills, expensive supplements, or extreme routines. It's through something simple, natural, and surprisingly powerful, something you already have in your kitchen. Today, we're talking about a 60-second daily ritual that helps support your body's natural vitality and confidence. It's quick, it's simple, and it's based on real science. And yes, it involves a specific kind of nut. Now, before we get into the details, let's clear up one big misconception. When men start to feel a drop in energy or performance, the first assumption is often that it's a plumbing problem, just about blood flow. And while good circulation is essential, that's only part of the story. The real underlying factor often comes down to a tiny molecule called nitric oxide, your body's natural signal that tells blood vessels to relax and expand. Think of it like a command switch that allows energy and oxygen to flow freely through your system. As we age, stress, poor diet, and inactivity all work together to reduce this crucial molecule. Without enough of it, the signals that tell your body to respond simply don't come through as clearly. That's where this 60-second chewing hack comes in. It's designed to naturally boost nitric oxide production using a food that's as ordinary as it is powerful, the walnut. Walnuts are like nature's secret vitality capsule. They're loaded with an amino acid called L-arginine, which your body uses to create nitric oxide. When you chew walnuts, you're literally giving your body the raw materials it needs to restore that key biochemical signal that supports circulation and responsiveness. The result is not just better flow but better overall vitality and clarity. And there's another layer to this. Walnuts are rich in omega-3 fatty acids, especially a type called ALA, alpha-linolenic acid. Omega-3s are famous for supporting cardiovascular and brain health, but what's often overlooked is how they help reduce low-grade inflammation. Inflammation is one of the silent things that makes the body feel stiff, slow, or tired over time. By feeding your system omega-3s, you're helping it stay flexible, open, and responsive from the inside out. So when you chew walnuts, two things happen. You get an immediate biochemical boost from L-arginine supporting nitric oxide levels. You get long-term support from omega-3s, keeping your system strong and flexible. This combination, one short-term, one long-term, makes the walnut one of the best foods for men's health and confidence. And all it takes is 60 seconds. The key is how you chew. Don't rush it. Take a small handful of raw walnuts, just enough to fill your palm, and chew slowly until it becomes a smooth, buttery paste in your mouth. This allows enzymes and natural nitrates in your saliva to interact with the nutrients, beginning the process right away. Once you've chewed thoroughly, swallow, drink a glass of water, and that's it. This simple ritual is more than just a snack. It's a daily act of self-care, a reminder that you're choosing to invest in your energy, your focus, and your sense of strength. Many men who try this notice subtle changes within days, steadier energy, clearer thinking, and a better mood. It's a quiet shift, but one that speaks volumes. In part 2, we'll go even deeper, because there's another nut that works on a completely different level, helping your hormones, mood, and focus stay balanced. And when you combine the two, you get something extraordinary. Stay tuned for part 2, we're talking about almonds, the feel-good nut that completes the power combination. Now let's talk about the second half of this daily ritual, the almond, the ultimate mood and hormone-supporting nut. While walnuts feed your body's flow system, almonds fuel your inner engine, your hormones, focus, and emotional balance. They're rich in two key minerals that most men today don't get enough of, magnesium and zinc. Together, they form a dynamic duo for overall well-being and drive. Let's start with magnesium. This mineral is involved in over 300 processes in your body, but one of its most powerful effects is how it relaxes your muscles and nervous system. In a world full of tension, stress, and constant noise, magnesium helps your body and mind release that background tightness that drains energy. When your muscles and blood vessels relax, your circulation improves, your mood stabilizes, and your focus sharpens. Now, combine that with zinc, the cornerstone of male vitality. Zinc is essential for hormone balance and helps your body maintain normal testosterone production, the hormone that drives motivation, confidence, and overall energy. Even small deficiencies can leave you feeling sluggish or off your game. By consistently giving your body enough zinc, you're ensuring that it has the building blocks to keep everything working smoothly and naturally. When you chew almonds, you're not just getting nutrients, you're sending a signal to your body that it's time to relax, rebuild, and perform. The act of chewing itself matters. It activates nerves in your mouth that tell your brain to prepare for nutrient absorption, and it boosts the release of enzymes and salivary nitrates. In other words, you're priming your system to actually use the nutrition you're giving it. Now imagine combining the best of both, the nitric oxide boosting, anti-inflammatory power of walnuts with the calming, hormone-supporting benefits of almonds. That's what we call the power chew. Here's how to do it. Take a small handful, half walnuts, half almonds. Chew them slowly for 60 seconds until they become a smooth paste. Focus on the process, the crunch, the texture, the taste. Feel yourself fully present in the moment. Once they're completely broken down, swallow and follow with a full glass of water. That's it, 1 minute a day. But that single minute sends a powerful signal through your entire body. It tells your system to open up, relax, and rebuild. It fuels circulation, calms stress, and supports balance from the inside out. This isn't a quick fix or a gimmick, it's a lifestyle ritual. A moment each day to reconnect with your body and remind it how to operate at its best. The effects build over time. Within a week, many notice cleaner energy, sharper focus, better rest, and a renewed sense of drive. Over the weeks ahead, you may feel that spark return, the one that makes you feel strong, confident, and alive. The beauty of this ritual is in its simplicity. No chemicals, no supplements, just natural, whole foods used intentionally. So tonight, try the 60-second power chew. Tomorrow morning, notice how you feel. You might just find that your body is giving you a quiet but powerful signal that it's coming back online. If this resonated with you, hit that like button, subscribe for more simple, science-backed health habits, and share this with someone who could use a boost of natural vitality. Remember, 1 minute, 2 nuts, and a little consistency can make a world of difference.